time in Hawaii, there's spinners all over. And our dude, there was like 9 of us on this little boat, and we let us all hop out, and there was 100 total. Oh, come play! Come play! Come play!
Oh, that's sweet. Wow. Look at them all up here. Oh my, get that on video here. Then, or just stick your head right over the side. Look at them. They're right up, look at, they're right under. Yeah, just stick it up underneath. Recording? There's a sea lion. Yeah. Sea lion just jumped.
This is SeaWorld. This is SeaWorld. They all came out for us.
Like, isn't it? Oh my God. That's the real deal. And we didn't see hardly anything yesterday. Upside down. No way!
Oh my gosh. Yeah, what did you say to him, Charmaine? Did you ask him what tricks they know?
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Yay.
Yay.
That is so cool. Oh my God.
I know!
Oh, they ate Jesus.
Look, here's a burger again. Here they go.
Wow. You bunch of monkeys.
They are just showing off, man.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What a happy life, huh?
So funny how they all